Here's another quick recipe from our dietitian Simone.
Macadamia nuts, one of Australia's greatest crops. In fact, we're quite famous for macadamia nuts, for these beautiful bundles of goodness. You might have heard of the monounsaturated fats they've got, or otherwise known as just healthy fats. They make the nut particularly creamy and delicious. And now let's cook a delicious recipe with these pocket rockets. I'm going to show you how to make my delicious herb yogurt dip with a secret ingredient, Ensure vanilla powder, which adds key nutrients that can help support the strength of your bones, muscles and immune system. This dip has some extra crunch by adding in fresh macadamia nuts. Start by mixing together the garlic, freshly chopped herbs, the lemon juice and lemon rind, all in a small bowl. Separately mix the 2 scoops of Ensure vanilla powder into the yogurt and stir until mixed through. Add this to the initial herb mixture and stir thoroughly. Season with salt and pepper to your taste. Sprinkle with 2 tablespoons of crushed macadamia nuts and some extra chopped herbs. This makes a great dip or accompaniment to grilled red meat or chicken. For this simple to make dip, grab some Ensure vanilla powder from any participating pharmacy.